Welcome to the Smart Home Ninja, and thank you for watching my channel today. Today I'm going to be featuring my smart home lighting system, which my stack consists of Philips Hue, SmartThings, Logitech Harmony, and Amazon Echo. You can also use Google Home. And make sure to subscribe now to my channel because I'm going to be coming out with more DIY guides as well as smart home solutions and watching upcoming trends on products at thesmarthomeninja.com. Thanks for stopping by. Turn off the living room lights.